attack these guys.
There's the mom to the bird. To this bird.
He's like stuck here.
So I mean, there's no way he can get back up to his nest. So
I can't touch it, otherwise the mom will disown it.
The chances of that bird getting on that tire is the chance of your shots.
You're a talking bird?
Chomon. No Chomon.
That's right.
That's
right, yeah, wait.
Wait, hey, recording.
Right there.
Your animal
You
friends.
asked
Wait,
me
what?
to, yeah.
Hey, we're recording.
Guys. Wait, what? Dude! Shut up for a second.
You fell in there?
Dude! Stop talking
The
for a
chances
minute.
of that bird falling into that tire is a shot.
Have like the Pokemon theme song.
Dude,
play
oh
right
my god. Oh my god.
What?
You should have got that.
Oh, I think I did.
Ooh. You are stupid, dude. You almost got hit.
Oh no! Oh no!
You didn't look.
Oh no! Okay, so get in the bird's face. And like.
Because what I was thinking is like put the B word right over this shot right here.
No, but I want it to
Chris, what
transfer.
are you doing?
Are you trying to kiss
You're
it?
gonna eat him. You're gonna eat him. Don't touch him, dude. Remember. The
No,
mom won't
don't
feel-
touch him.
Yeah, don't. The
He'll
mom.
disown him.
Ooh.
I was angry.
Hey, go get the shot at the bird.
Okay, then I want everyone like cheering the bird on like he's about to fly.